Hey, one and all, glad you're here to read again. Let's do some reading practice. We're going to be sounding out some words, blending them together to call whole words, and we're also going to be learning some sight words. These sight words that we have right here on the screen, they are going to be words that we are going to hear very often in the story that we are going to read. And so we'll call them high frequency words. Some of these words are high frequency words in English language. Let's go ahead and let's start learning our words. The M says the Y says I. When it's at the end of words, we can hear I or we can hear E. But here we're hearing I. 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 My. This word says my. Let's go to the next word. B. L. We can blend them together as a consonant blend. B. U and E together. In this word, we hear oo. Blue, oo, blue, oo, blue, blue. This word says blue, as in the color blue. Let's move to the next one. K. A and R together. Ah. K. Ah. K. Ah. K. Ah. Car. Car. This word says car. Let's now call the final word. L. Because the E is at the end and it's silent, we are going to hear the vowel call its name. We hear I. L, I, k. L, I, k. L, I, k. Like. This word says like. Alright, let's now call all the words. My, blue, car, like. Okay, now it's your turn to see if you have learned the words. So I am going to circle the words and you're going to say them. Ready to go? Let's go. All right, let's see if you called them correctly. Like, car, blue, my. All right, you did a great job. Now let's move to our reading. As we read through the sentence, we are going to find those same words that we just did a while ago. That is going to make our reading much easier. Let's go ahead now and let's track for those words. Can you see any of those words that we just did a while ago? Our high frequency words? I'm sure you can. Yes, this is one right here. This is another. And here is another. All right, so we already know those three words. So we are only going to be sounding those that we do not know. So let's go ahead and let's sound out the word. T and H together, we hear the sound D. And here we can see the small word is. However, we are not going to say is, where we're going to hear the Z sound. We are going to make the sound that S makes. So we are going to say S. So let's go now. D. A. S. One more time. D. A. S. This. This. Let's go to this word now. What is this small word? Is. Is. And remember, in is, we hear the S make a sound like Z. So we hear is. Is. Let's now read through our sentence now that we know all the words. This is my blue car. Let's go one more time without the clues. This is my blue car. Now you're going to read it all by yourself. Let's hear you. Good job! This is my blue car. Let's now go to the next sentence. Can you see the words, our sight words, that we said would be high frequency words? Ah, okay. So we know 4 words. We are going to learn the other 2. Let's go. D. The O here at the end in this word says oo, oo. D, oo, d, oo, do, do. All right, let's go to the next word. The Y makes the sound Y. The O and U together, we hear oo, Y, oo, Y, oo, Y, oo, you, you, you. All right, let's now see if we can read through the sentence. Do you like my blue car? Let's now hear you read it. All right, let's see if you read it correct. Do you like my blue car? Now, let's go to our final sentence. Can you see the words that we did? The sight words that we said we are going to hear very often in our story, or we are going to see very often. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4. There's another word that we just learned in our last sentence. Can you spot that word? Ah, that's it. Good. Now let's see if we can call the other 4 words. W makes the sound W. The O says O. The U and the L, they are silent, so we're going to hear the D makes the sound D. Let's now put those 3 sounds together. W, O, D, W, O, D, wood. Wood. Okay, and what's this word again? You. Like. Alright, this one follows the same rule as the one that we just did. Do you remember that this word says do? So here, the song for the O, we hear oo. So now we have t, oo, t, oo, two. This is not number 2. This is like when you say that you are going to a place. R, the E is at the end silent, so remember most times we're going to hear the vowel call its name. R-eyed, R-eyed, ride. In, in, my blue car. Now that we know all the words, let's read through the sentence. Would you like to ride in my blue car? Let's hear you try it. Do you think you're ready to try? Or you want us to read one more time? Let's go ahead and read one more time. Would you like to ride in my blue car? Alright, it's your turn now to try. Let's hear you. Let's see if you did it correctly. Would you like to ride in my blue car? Okay, so you did an awesome job reading today. I hope that you can practice those words. Keep practicing. If you must, you can pause the video, go back from the beginning to learn the words, and you can write them down and practice how to spell them. Thank you so much for reading with me today. And I'm sure that you would remember those 4 words. What are the 4 words again? Like, my blue car. And also the other words. So, until next time, be sure, if you haven't subscribed yet, to click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.